One instruction, one blank page, and Word wrote the weekly status report itself, risks table included. This is the drafting side of the paid Copilot license inside Word. We build a real document live, ask it questions, and make it rewrite its own work. How it behaves first. Inside Word, Copilot reads the open document automatically. No references, no setup. The same rule as Outlook last episode. It drafts from scratch, rewrites what you point at, summarizes, turns prose into tables, and coaches your writing. It needs the paid Copilot license, and it lives in the ribbon, a floating icon, and on every blank page. A new document greets you with the question directly on the canvas. Describe what you would like to draft. This is the highest leverage entry point in Word and the habit worth building. Write the instruction, not the first paragraph. Here it is live, sped up 3.5 times. Our instruction asks for a weekly status report for the fictional project Beacon, 4 sections, 3 risks with owners and mitigations under 350 words. Generate, and the document writes itself, title to table. Look at what arrived. Headed sections, the facts from the instruction placed correctly, and a risks table it chose to build without being told the format. The pane on the right explains its reasoning. The review bar offers done or undo, and Word even renamed the document from the content. The pane also answers questions about the document. We asked for a 3-bullet summary for a steering committee that has 90 seconds. Bold lead bullets, the numbers intact, and follow-up suggestions ready. Expand with key figures, or turn it into a slide outline. Rewriting is the same conversation, sped up 2.5 times here. Tell the pane which section to change and how. The commissioning section shrinks to half its length in place, and everything else stays untouched. And it narrates its own edits. What it rewrote, what it kept, and the same done or undo review before anything is final. Nothing commits without you. Worth knowing from this month's wave. Word is gaining a model picker for rewriting and summarizing, with OpenAI's GPT 5.6 and Anthropic's Claude Sonnet 5 rolling out. Subject to your admin's enablement. Comment-based edits, where Copilot reads reviewer comments and applies the changes, and a voice-interactive audio overview arrive alongside. Check what your tenant has before you plan around any of it. The written Word, PowerPoint, and Excel guide, one page covering all 3 apps, is at kesslernerdy.com/guides, link below. This matches the live product as of July 22, 2026. In the description gets a note when Microsoft changes it. Next in the series, Copilot in Excel.